So this is Ailsa Black in Perth, friggin' Caledonia.
I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me in these past few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away. I've been telling old stories, singing songs that make me think about where I came from, and that's the reason why I seem so far away today. Oh, and let me tell you that I love you and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, I know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Oh, I've moved and I've kept on moving, proved the points that I needed proving. I lost the friends that I need losing, found others on the way. Oh, and I've kissed the lads and I've left them crying, stolen dreams, yes, there's no denying. I've travelled hard, sometimes with conscience flying, somewhere with the wind. Oh, and let me tell you that I love you and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, I know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Now I'm sitting here before the fire, the empty room, the forest choir, the flames that couldn't get any higher. They've weathered now, they've gone. Oh, but I'm steady thinking my way's clear, and I know what I'll do tomorrow. When the hands are shaking and the kisses flow, then I will disappear. Oh, and let me tell you that I love you and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, I know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had.
Well done, Ailsa.